Let me just continue from where I stopped. Like I said, the admin can manage curriculum by coming to this curriculum management, adding curriculum. So they can just add, upload their curriculum. So you can just upload by um, putting the curriculum title, the subject, select the subject, the class, term, then you upload, you select file from your device. So that's how to upload curriculum. Then you can view curriculum that you've uploaded. So inventory management, the admin can manage school properties. So by adding inventory, so let's say for example, you can add item. Let's say you have the school sells uniform. So let's say uniform for students or textbooks. You can add any type of inventory, like maybe like socks. Maybe the school sells socks or biro, anything that the school sells to the students. So you can add it here. Then the quantity. Let's say the quantity that the school bought from the supplier. Let's say 100. You can add the figure here. So category, inventory category, is it under stationaries? Is it under so the school can just create a category. As you can see, we have book category, you have different form of categories. So minimum quantity you can just add, like let's say the school purchased about 100 textbooks. So the school can just put like a few, let's say 20 as the minimum quantity. So which means that when it gets to 20, when the school sells up to 20, like sell 20, so the system will quickly allow the school that the school needs to restock. So that's what it means. So that's how to set inventory. That's what it's all about. So this is the way to add inventory categories. Click on categories. Then so we have invoice management. The admin can also create invoice by so you can just so if you want to create invoice for a particular student. So enter the student admission registration number or admission number here. So to fetch the student in details. So the invoice number is auto generated. So once you put in the student reg number here, and the reg number will automatically fill into this space. So you can select as many as stock or inventory or items. So any items you add to the inventory here under this inventory management will automatically reflect here. As you can see, we have school uniform, we have books. So let's say the quantity of the school uniform is 3. So the price for one is 300. So automatically calculates the total, which is 900. So how much is being paid by the student? 900. So that means there's no balance. If the student is paying 500 out of 900, so which means that the student is still owing 400 naira balance, then you can save the invoice. So okay, said please fill all required field. I didn't fill every field. So let me just fill this. Okay, let me start all over again. Quantity. Let's say quantity is 3. Then so I have to put in what's telling me I have to put in a student reg number. Let me just put, for example, ESC 021 ESC 21 slash 030. So let me just fetch for this particular student and see. As you can see, can you see the name of the student, Joshua? So then I can ask continue and select all these ones here like this. 3. Then unit price is, let's say, 300. So how much am I paying? How much is the student paying? 900. So you can save the invoice. So invoice saved successfully. So this is the invoice that has been saved. I can view the invoice. I can so the student is not paying, is not balancing. So which means that the student has fully paid the money. So any invoice you issue here, we automatically reflect in the student portal as well. So that's how it works. So that's on invoice management. We have performance hub as well. So you can view student performance by class or by subject. So you can decide to select the the chart type. Is it pie? Is it line? So we want to know this number of students that pass a particular subject in the class. So the summary, that's what the performance hub is all about. So in the next video, I'll be telling you how to add students, on how to create new students, how to enroll new students, then how to go with the behavioral analysis and attendance.